last game. Thank you for your support. I'm so happy. And the 3 points take in the Erbil. Now in the yesterday start in the next game preparation. And then everyone in the be ready, inshallah, in the again. Do it in this winner game, inshallah. Support Erbil fans, everyone. Inshallah, Saturday in a good result. No, in the first game, I think in the very important in the whole country, not in the Iraq League. First game in the 3 points you take, everyone happy, fans, and the coach staff, and our team player. And then next game in more focus next game. Now in the last game finish, this history finish. Now in the preparation next game. More thinking next game, inshallah. Again, win, inshallah.